Okay, let's look at operetta, opus, and oscillate. So operetta, noun, a short, more light-hearted and funny opera. The theatre. We are going to an operetta on Friday night. It is this famous operetta. It's a story about these two individuals, these two people, and how they find love. So it's light-hearted, meaning not so serious. Not so serious, more relaxed. Informal. Light-hearted. Funny, yes. Funny, ha-ha funny. Ironic funny. And beyond. Situational funny. Funny. More fun. Just more fun. How cool is that? An opus. Noun. Oops. Yeah. A big artistic work with a lot of effort. She is writing an opus about Spain. So someone is working on something, a painting, music, a book, anything, a canvas, embroidery, a piece of artwork on a grand scale, complex subject, a complex idea, and a vision, a clear vision. We want to create this thing. What's it about? What's the theme? Spain? England? Anything? Chocolate? Adventures? Odyssey? Life? Health? Wealth? Love and well-being? Books? Education? Yeah. How cool is that? An opus. Yeah. An oscillate. Verb. To swing back and forth between things to a beat. So back and forth. So swing in here. Swing in there. And back and forth. Swing it back and forth. It will oscillate until you stop it. That thing is always oscillating at certain frequencies. That oscillates at certain times of the day. That clock is powered by an oscillating battery. How cool is that? So operetta, opus, and oscillate. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.